doing?
Hi. I'm kind of nervous.
No,
I
baby. It's
have a little cough,
amazing.
so I'll mute myself. I mute all of a sudden. It's because I'm coughing, and I don't want to cough in everybody's ear.
No
But
problem.
hearing you be so vulnerable about what you were going through behind the scenes, I felt like I have to tell her how I even got a ticket. I was
Mhm.
going back and forth, and I was struggling with feeling like, oh, maybe I don't belong in this community. It has nothing to do with y'all. I think it's like the stuff that like Marissa was talking about, how we kind of struggle with self-validation, and it comes up in like simple ways that you don't even realize you have all these subconscious thoughts that are going on in the background.
Mhm.
And it was like you had a countdown, and I was like, should I? And then I just went for it. Like I don't know, because I've been feeling conviction about not being in alignment with what I claim my core values are. And I
Mhm.
just felt so compelled. I'm like, I have to invest in the vibration I claim I want to see
Oh my
in the
goodness.
world. Like the vibration. Excuse me, I didn't know I was gonna get it.
No, I feel better now. I feel validated because I'm fighting it too. So go ahead.
When I say every speaker has said something that is like in my journal, I'm like, nah, I know. It's I just feel like it's so aligned.
Thank you. Thank you for that. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to bring. That's what I wanted this to be.
So I just want to thank you for having the boldness to overcome those discomforts, especially when like some of us haven't overcome that. So to see you doing that and sharing that, I'm just like, who would I be to not invest my energy in that effort and just, like, especially in this era, because like I don't know, it's just so much. Y'all know what the internet is looking like. I'm so tired of that being the dominant thing, so, but just thank you. That's really the main thing. And I'm so glad that I found your platform. So, and
You
that's
have blessed me. You have blessed me so much. Thank you so much for that.
there have been so many times when I wanted to email you, like I wish I would have gotten involved in your platform sooner, but now I'm just like, in this era, community is so important, online and offline, and I don't know, we just can't let we can't let that vibration win.
We can't. We absolutely can't. We need each other.
Yeah.
And we need each other at our most concentrated energy. You know what I mean? And we all walking around so drained from showing up for everybody else, for doing what we think we're supposed to do. And I just wanted to let people know. Deanne has said years ago, she said, she told me I was a beacon. Mm-hmm. And I take that seriously.
Yeah.
And a part of that, the B part of that is showing people what's possible.
Yeah.
And so that is what I'm here for. That is what Level Up Single Mom is about, just showing people it's possible to live a good life no matter what. It's possible to be regal and dignified just within your own self. It's not about how much money you have. It's not about, who or what you control. It's about believing you deserve it and move. And like you said, walk in and talk.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, this is just, and I just think like I was listening to your video about like vetting spaces and about just like making sure you're in safe spaces to begin with. And I just feel like, and you talked about how just searching, you're coachable and you're searching, and then you find these spaces that on the surface seem safe. They seem like they want the best for you, but then you leave feeling rejected, and you don't even know that seed has been implanted in your subconscious, and it shows up in your behavior because you kind of let it in. And I just feel like if you build it, they will come. It'll be some person, some young girl, or just really any age. And when they Google, they need to find you. and all the speakers here, like it just needs to, because what happens is I think when you don't feel represented or you feel like a minority in your empathy, because sometimes people can make you feel like weak for feeling like that, then you start trying to mask with that bravado, like my feelings don't get hurt and all of that. So I just appreciate all of you being bold to show up authentically like this. Like, it means a lot. And I know that if I'm feeling this, that there are other people who feel this. I believe there are probably people who are watching from the bushes like I was. And they will show up, So thank you.
Thank you. And have absolutely, I'm going to keep reiterating, you have blessed me so much. And there's always someone, like it stretches in between, but every now and then there's someone that shows up. Mm-hmm. And they do what you've done, and they just let me know that like I'm on the path I'm supposed to be on, even if I don't see the end point, or I feel like I've been walking for a long time and I don't know when I'm going to get there. y'all are what keep me going. Y'all are what let me know that I am on the right track. So I appreciate you so much. And I'm so happy that you're here now. And I'm so happy you're in the Discord.
I am too.
We are going to be building, it's slow going. This was the first effort and we're getting things together, but I know what's happening now. I feel that. So I thank you so much.
Yeah. And I don't want you to feel like I don't, it's so much content. Like even all the experts that are here, like being introduced to so many platforms that resonate. Like I'm like, because I'm going through the process of like canceling subscriptions and redirecting all of my energy and saying like, in this era, I have to be about my core values, or it's not. It feels like urgent. I feel this like, I don't know if it's spirit or if I feel something urgently saying align with the right thing, and I'm like, I have plenty of content now. So I got, I would be watching everybody. I swear I'm like, is she psychic? Because I'm like, that is where I am, where I'm like, okay, I have, and not saying I will, because I'm a lifelong learner. So, but I'm like, I've read the books, watched the documentaries, and it's like, I'm feeling this urgency of embodiment. Like,
I'm talking about when is it going to happen?
Yes. And I think that's what, it's just so much. I feel so like when I was listening to, you have the 3 videos in the start, I think Welcome Here. And I'm almost done with all 3 of them. And I'm just like, oh, facts. Like, it's just so powerful. Like, you ladies are just, I'm so glad that, you had the thought to create content and get on the internet. Thank you for doing that. Like, thank you all. Like, when I tell you, and I'm so glad to be at the first one. I feel special for that. So
yeah. Listen,
y'all are awesome. Like, y'all are that.
We're gonna be sitting back years from now, like, remember when it was just us on that little YouTube, YouTube summit or whatever, and we're gonna be, doing this, flying to different countries. I just see it coming together because we all were calling for it. Level Up Single Mom happened because I was calling for, like you. I needed it.
Yeah,
I needed it, and so I built it. And so now we're all going to find each other. We're all going to come together. I can't wait to find out who you are and what you have to bring, in the Discord, because you might be in the next one. We'll see. So, but thank you.